Hi friends, this time I will show you how to completely uninstall games via the Epic Games application. So the first step is to open the Epic Games application, then click on the library section. So in the library section there are games that you have saved in the library and also games that are installed on your PC. Then please select which game you want to uninstall and click on the three dot symbol in the bottom right corner of the games. Here you can easily click uninstall, but here I will first select the manage section, and before uninstalling I will first go to the file location of the game, and I will make sure that all the files will be deleted after I do the uninstall process. So you can return to the Epic Games application, then immediately click uninstall to continue uninstall the game. After uninstalling, you can check the game location folder. Are all the games file are really deleted? If not, you can just delete the file. I hope this video useful and see you in another video.